So Takima is asking, what are the bits and pieces that everyone keeps hiding? It's like a secret lingo for disapproving anyone for anything. So she's talking about the VA loan. And why is it so hard to understand if you do or don't qualify? And one of the main reasons for that, Takima, is because even though this is a VA home loan benefit that you earn through your service, mortgage companies are the ones that are actually providing the VA home loan to service members, and it's not directly provided by the VA. So the VA wrote the guidelines that they want lenders to follow when offering a veteran or a service member their benefit, their VA home loan benefit. But all these mortgage companies, credit unions, banks, mortgage brokers, all the lenders that are underwriting those loans have their own interpretation of the VA guidelines. They also have overlays, which is, yes, the VA allows you to get a VA loan even if you don't have a credit score of 580 and above, 620 and above. VA doesn't actually care what your credit score is. But all these mortgage companies are going to review the risk, and they're going to decide what risk they want to take on as a mortgage company. So most of them have a credit score overlay, meaning you have to have a 620 to get a VA loan through our company, or a 580 to get a VA loan through our company. Now, there are some companies like ours, Veterans Lending Group, which is at Cross Country Mortgage, we underwrite directly to the VA handbook. So when we're declining someone, it's because they do not meet the VA guidelines as written in the VA handbook. And you're going to hear a lot of lenders or loan officers tell you, well, you don't meet the VA guidelines, or the VA won't approve you. Guys, the VA doesn't approve you. Has nothing to do with what the VA says. The VA wrote the guidelines. The lenders and the mortgage companies approve you. And if you're not working with a loan officer that knows and understands the VA handbook and works for a company that underwrites to the VA handbook, then there's going to be a lot of hidden, secret, missing pieces, not knowing how to qualify. Otherwise, you go to the VA handbook, and the VA benefit was written in such a way to help the veteran. So the guidelines are very gray. They do allow for a lot of interpretation, which is good and bad. It's good because it allows an underwriter to document, and then give a veteran the benefit of the doubt and allow them to get a loan when maybe they're not super squeaky clean. Or maybe they've got a lot of challenges, but they have reestablished credit. Per the VA guidelines, that would be doable. But a lot of mortgage companies won't approve you that way. So that is why it feels so elusive sometimes to get a VA loan. But you need to make sure that you're working with VA loan specialists that underwrite directly to the VA handbook and do not have overlays and are not restricting your VA loan.